students, today we will start new chapter and it is microbes in human welfare. Microbes are what? It's a group of diverse organisms. Microbes, microbes, they may be bacteria, they may be protozoa, they may be microalgae, and even they are virus and fungi. So microbes are what? The diversified group of microorganisms that include these all. In previous chapter, human health and disease, we studied the role of microbes to spread the diseases. Means they are known for their negative role. But in this chapter, we will discuss that how microbes are useful for humans or they are useful for their mankind. So in this chapter, we will discuss the positive role, useful role of microbes for humans. So in such sequence, first we will talk about microbes in household products. Microbes in household products. For when you proceed this topic in your book, you will find the very first microbe is lab. Means lactic acid bacteria or lactobacillus. Lab is what? Lactic acid bacteria or lactobacillus. It is very important because a very common example or very significant role of this bacteria is to convert milk into curd. In general, in our household practices, our mother or parents, what they did when they are prepare the curd from the milk, they simply give a small dose or they simply mix the small amount of inoculum, a small dose or a small amount of the curd. When this inoculum is mixes with milk, then after 7 to 8 hours, generally that milk with the help of inoculum convert into curd. Why so? Because this inoculum means that a small dose of curd that going to mix in this milk that contain so many lactobacillus bacteria in them, and the present lactobacillus bacteria in this inoculum simply coagulate the protein of milk. Lactic acid bacteria, yeah, lactobacillus, what they did, they simply coagulate the protein of milk, and when they completely coagulate the protein of milk, then after few hours this milk convert into curd. Curd is better in comparison to milk in so many ways that curd is contain vitamin B12, and it is easy to digest. Because lactic acid bacteria partially coagulate the protein that is present in milk. That means they partially digested them. So in such a way, these lactobacillus are very important to convert milk into curd. And these lactobacillus bacteria are also present in gut. Gut is what? The part of human intestine. And these when these bacteria are present in gut, they prevent the entry or they check the prevent the entry or they check the growth of harmful bacteria. These bacteria are also present in the gut of human intestine. So to prevent or to check the growth of other microbes that may be harmful for human, or that may be harmful for the digestive system of human. So this is what the role of lactic acid bacteria in we came to know by this example, the conversion of milk into curd. The next is what? The next microbe that is useful for mankind is what? Baker's yeast. The next is what? Baker's yeast. Baker's yeast is generally referred as a yeast that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae or cerevisiae. Baker yeast is generally referred as the yeast. Their name is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Is generally referred as Baker's yeast, and it is important to form. It is important to form bakery products like bread, cake, etc. What it does, it simply ferment the wheat flour or the material that from which we are supposed to produce these bakery product, and this baker's yeast is simply ferment them, and the puffy appearance, when you are observing or when you have the cake or bread, they appear very puffy, and this is because these type of microbes release so much amount of CO2 during fermentation, and because of the release of CO2 during fermentation, the bakery products or the bakery products are appeared as puffy. One more example that I would like to discuss. Then in houses generally we prepare dough. In houses there is especially in southern India, there is a preparation of dough for the making of very tasty diet idli and dosa. So the making of dough for the preparation of idli and dosa, in such dough we also use such type of microbes, lactobacillus as well as this Saccharomyces cerevisiae, to ferment them, and this fermentation make them puffy. So further, when such type of eatables will prepared, they will be tasty and easy to digest. So this is the role of baker's yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, that is responsible for that is for the preparation of bakery product like bread, cake, etc. And it is also responsible for the fermentation or for the better preparation of dough for the preparation of idli and dosa. When you proceed this topic, then one more thing you will study, that is toddy. Toddy means when in southern, it is also a traditional drink of southern India. It is commonly pronounced as toddy. This is what the toddy or toddy is extracted from palm sap. When palm sap is fermented with the help of these microbes, then this the palm sap is converted into toddy, and it contain approx 4 to 8%. It contain approx 4 to 8% of alcohol. So this is another role of microbe in the preparation of toddy or toddy. Then the next type of microbe that is also helpful in the preparation of household product, that is Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese is Swiss cheese is known for the appearance of big hole in them. Swiss cheese is generally known for the big holes in them, and this is because of the fermentation in cheese by a particular microbe, and it is this microbe is that used for the fermentation of Swiss cheese is what? Propionibacterium shermani. This is what this microbe is responsible for the fermentation, or that is helpful in the preparation of Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese is known for the appearance of big holes in them, and these big holes are generated when a huge amount of CO2 is released from them, so they have big holes in them. You know what is fermentation? You have studied in 11th class that it is a kind of anaerobic respiration in which microbes simply oxidize the glucose or carbohydrate present in them, and in such a way it become easily digestible after the process of fermentation. You know, microbes are also known for the fermentation of soybean, fish, or bamboo shoots. Microbes are also known for the fermentation of soybean, fish, bamboo shoots for the formation of various type of eatable products. So guys, this is what the role of microbes to prepare our household products.